Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account so all your emails load properly. This ensures you have full access to all the features and tools you'll need to create and manage your email templates. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and sync everything before moving forward. Once your email has loaded completely, you're ready to start creating your first template. Look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll see the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the email composition screen, which is where you'll build out your template before saving it for repeated use. It's the same window you use when writing any regular email, so it should feel familiar. Now that you're in the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of the window where all your tools and menus are located. Make sure you're on the Message tab, which is usually selected by default. From here, look for a button labeled View Templates. Click on it. This will open a right side panel that displays all your saved templates and gives you the option to create new ones. This is the main hub for managing everything related to email templates in Outlook. In the template panel that just appeared, you'll notice a button at the bottom that says Plus Template. Click on this button to start creating your first template. A new window will pop up where you can customize the content. Here's where you'll enter the information you want to reuse. Start by typing in a title for your template. This title is just for your reference, so make it something descriptive like weekly update or client follow-up so you can easily identify it later. After entering the title, move down to the message field. This is where you'll type the actual email content you want to save as a template. Write out the full message exactly as you'd like it to appear each time you use this template. You can include greetings, body text, sign-offs, and any other details you regularly use. Take your time here to make sure everything is worded the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the content, click the Save button. Your template is now stored and ready to use whenever you need it. Now, here's how simple it is to use the template you just created. Whenever you're composing a new email and want to insert your saved template, just click on View Templates again to open that right side panel. You'll see the template you created listed there by its title. All you have to do is click on the template title and the entire message will automatically be inserted into your email composition screen. From there, you can make any quick edits if needed or send it as is. It's a huge time saver, especially if you send similar emails regularly. And that's it. You've successfully created and used an email template in Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.